Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something different, which is this. So this is from Tomica, and this is the premium series, and this is the F-35 Lightning II. So I personally love fighter jets because if you're a 90s kid, you must have heard about SWAT cats. So they do have, I think, the FT Tomcat. So because of that, I fell in love with this fighter jets. So I was luckily able to find this one. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, here is the box. I'm hoping that it has some kind of moving parts since it's a premium and it's a fighter jet obviously. Okay, fine. Let's open and see. Okay, so this one is not fully assembled. So guess we need to assemble it. So here are the parts. And I think this one is the display stand if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I guess so. So I guess this goes here like this. Got it. Let's just see this pamphlet they given, how to assemble it and all. Let's take everything out first. Okay, so the initial impressions of this are, this finishing looks really nice, and this are metal. So this piece is metal, I think. So the base is plastic. So this top part here is metal. This one is plastic, but it doesn't look like plastic. When you're holding it in your hand, the paint job looks really awesome, and it feels like that is also a metal part. Okay, so let's assemble and see how this one looks. Okay, we need to put it here, it seems. I hope I am doing it right, or maybe in this way. I'm really confused, guys. Okay, I think this comes here. Yeah, this goes here. Fine, this I got it. And okay, if this goes here, and I think this comes here. Okay, got it. Okay, let's do it one by one. I don't think I will be putting back this in the box after assembling this. Yeah, this is very tight. This one is very tight. And this all these parts are actually made of plastic. These are not metal, except for this one. This part is made of metal, and yeah, these are kind of rubber kind of material. It's flexible. I think it's made from some kind of rubber. Okay, let's put it here. Yep, done and done. Okay, let's put rest of the things aside. Let's have a look at this. Okay, I gotta say this is a very beautiful piece, and honestly there is no flaw in this one. So it looks really beautiful. The finish is very good. and paint job is really nice. So the only thing is this entire part is not made of metal, if you are wondering. Only this piece here is made of metal, this one. And you can see some kind of interior detailing here. It's a bit less, but it's okay. It's not openable. I really love this one. This looks really nice. Okay, let's put it in the stand and see how this one looks. Okay, either here we can put, or I think any one we can use here. So let's put it in this one and see. Yeah, that's it. That looks absolutely beautiful. So this is my very first, what you can say, in general planes or fighter jet which I own. So, and I'm actually happy to own this one. This looks really nice. So if any, fighter jet fans there, I recommend you guys to go and get this one. So specifically, if it is in discount, grab it. So because it is not entirely made of metal. If anyone is really keen about it having the entire piece in metal, it is not entirely made of metal, but still this looks really beautiful. The finish is really good. Paint job is really nice. There is no a single mistake I can point out, mistake or even nitpicks I can say. It looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.